Is NHR tax-free? Well, as you would have appreciated by now, it's quite nuanced. So I know it's sometimes put in a simplistic way in some forums, but no, it's definitely not tax-free. Some of your income may be tax-free. Some of your income may be subject to a reduced tax rate, but it would be disingenuous to say that it's all tax-free. I think it's helpful to put it within a global context. There is a global movement, and not just talking about at the European Union level, but at the OECD or the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. There's a movement at that level to ensure that money is taxed somewhere. Money has to be taxed somewhere. This is a global movement. So, even where people have traditionally looked at, for example, loopholes, as we say, those loopholes are being addressed not just by fixing the legislation within the jurisdiction, but just by having sweeping concepts. For example, there's the principal purpose test. So when, there's been a habit of setting up shell companies in certain jurisdictions to get preferential treatment in another jurisdiction, that for the most part in the developed world, any tax agent, any tax officer taking a look at such a structure that has no commercial purpose, that has solely been established for tax benefit, it will be disallowed. It'll be disallowed. Where there are lots of anti-avoidance directives, principal purpose tests, economic substance tests. So those things are really a relic of the past. And yeah, so I think if your intention is to pay no tax, Portugal, first of all, is not potentially the right place for you. There are other jurisdictions, and even those other jurisdictions, for example, like Dubai or whatever, their days are probably numbered. So there are movements afoot. They've been put on a gray list, as has Hong Kong, the offshore companies in Hong Kong. They've been put on a gray list as the richer countries put pressure on these jurisdictions to step up and to tax everything. So no, it's not tax-free.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.